So I got my hands on a Fire TV stick, and I figured we'd do an unboxing of this and tell you my plans for it. Here we are. Let's turn this around. It's like there's only tape that's keeping it sealed. There we go. What do we got? We got... Get this thing open. Oh. That works. We got the remote. Yeah. Remote. We got the... What is this? Got some sort of adapter here. We got a power cable, which I think is USB. No, it's not USB-C. This is USB micro. Why is Amazon? Why not USB-C? And then it's the device itself, I assume. Yep. Focus on the bottom there. Alright, so it goes into the TV. Take a look at the remote real quick. I don't have Disney Plus or Peacock. I had Disney Plus for a little bit, but not anymore. Okay. So my plans for this is actually to make games for it for the App Store for this thing. Because I always want to make a game for a console like the Ouya, but I cannot get games for the Ouya with any of the game engines that I use. So this is gonna be the next best thing. And to you Chromecast, Google TV users, I also have a Google Chromecast myself, and we're developing the same games for that too. That's all for today. Subscribe if you have it, and I'll see you guys next time.